What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today I'm trying a unit that's a lot different. I've never tried something that didn't have any lace at all. This is a 150% density, medium cap size Brazilian straight glueless wig with combs. And as you can see, it is a bob wig with bangs. So fresh out the box, the hair was nice and silky, but I guess the way that it was packaged, it had like a little dent in the hair. So I'm just straightening it right here. No product needed. I just straightened it, and I had the flat iron on. I think it was 500. And the hair did very, very, very good. Like, it didn't sizzle, it didn't do anything. The next thing I did do was I wanted the bangs to be a little bit more choppy and not so blunt. So I did take my scissors and I cut upwards. You'll see what I'm saying. So I took each piece of the bang and I cut upwards. And this little spray that I'm using is the Got To Be Free spray. And this helped with just making the top of the wig super duper flat. If you don't like super thick bangs, you can also buy some thinning shears and thin out the bangs. I didn't have any, and I forgot to get some from the store. So if I did have them, I would have thinned them out just a little bit, but I think they end up coming out pretty cool. Here I'm just showing you how the hair was looking after it was done being flat ironed. It's nice and shiny, and it does have a little bit of body to it. And then the inside of the cap looks like this. There's one comb in the very front. We've got one comb in the back, and there is an adjustable strap just in case you do need it. So it was easy to install because there was literally nothing I had to do. It's almost like putting on a hat. So I just slid it on, and to spice it up, I wanted to add a little bit of a headband. I don't think this style is very flattering on me, but it is a nice wig. So if you did want to try it, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.